In this video, I'll unbox this Remington NE3200, which is a very compact nose and ear hair trimmer. So let's open the box. Inside we have this cardboard that holds everything together. First we have here the user guide. This hair trimmer also comes with a battery included, which is a nice thing since you'll be able to use it right away from the box. You won't have to buy any additional batteries, and if you don't have any of these around the house, it's quite handy that they gave one. And here we have the main unit that comes in this plastic bag. My first impression when I got it is that it's very light. It's made out of plastic, but it seems to be a durable kind of plastic. This is the blade over here. Let me put the battery inside. You just have to twist the cap, and here is the battery placement, and they even tell you how to put it. This is very handy, so you don't have to guess. You just have to put the positive side facing down, and just by twisting that cap, it turns it on and off. You see, it's very simple to use. There's no other function than on and off. And yeah, this is again the blade. It's a very safe trimmer. You really can't cut yourself since the blade are recessed very well inside of the device. You see, it only cuts the hair. So this was it. This was the unboxing of the Remington NE3200 nose and ear hair trimmer.